Today we are comparing two powerful tools in the Python ecosystem, Beauty and UV. So Beauty focuses on complete project and dependency management, while UV aims for extreme speed and performance. So today let's just see how they differ and where each one shines. So as you can see here, Beauty is mutual all-in-one dependency and packaging tool. It helps manage dependencies, build projects, maintain virtual environments, and publish packages from all a single interface. So I have also many let's see many videos or tutorials on the BO3. And UV is a fast package installer and resolver written in Rust language. It's designed to replace tools like pip, bx, and let's see pip tools, and inv by offering let's see extremely fast workflow. And let's see the advantages of Beauty and UV. So Beauty has strong, well-established ecosystem and powerful dependency resolution. It's provide built-in publishing and excellent, let's see, projects, making it ideal for structured long-term project. And UV main advantage is speed. Installation can be dozens of times faster than traditional tools. It also includes Python versions management, intuitive commands, and highly sufficient caching due to the Rust language. And now let's see the disadvantage of the Beauty. So Beauty can be slower, especially with the large project. Its learning curve is a bit steeper, and for every simple task, it might feel look like overkill. Let's see, and log file conflict can be also occasionally occurs. And UV is still relatively new and with a smaller community and fewer integration. So its publishing workflow are less mature and rapid of the development means more potential for breaking, let's say, changes. And before this slide, it is just how to use. Let's see how to install this. So let's say both tools are support Windows, Mac, and Linux. So Beauty install via Python based script. Let's see, for instance, here you can see just copy this command here, and sometimes it's not working. You have to add Python instead of Py. This is the Mac and this is the Linux. And the UV, this is the commands that you have to do. Based on your operating system. So now let's see after installation you need to create a project. So you could create a project using Beauty new my project, and this one init UV init my project, and here for instance is to adding let's see dependencies. So instead of using pip install torch, just add Beauty add torch, or here UV add torch. It's the same. And here you need to install the dependency. Sometimes you have a fresh, let's say you just clone a project from somewhere else and it has a tumble file. So to use it, you have to run this command, Beauty install. And here you should UV sync. And to publish, you have to use Beauty publish and here UV publish. And there's also a command I just forgot to add. It's if to activate. Here you can see in the Beauty you see Beauty shell, or sometimes Beauty shell it's not installed in the new versions. You have to use Beauty env activate, and in this one here you can see UV env. And this is the performance comparison here. Beauty offers a stable and through the dependency resolution with moderate speed and memory use. It remains efficient with disk space, but it's not built for extreme performance. UV stands with extreme fast install, minimal disk space, and rapid dependency resolution and low memory consumption. That's thanks for Robert Rust performance advantages. And that's it. I mean, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video. And of course, if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.